Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we're diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of July, 2025, our system has identified SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.80. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is positioned in the lower section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $10.22 is breached, it will first indicate a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of nearly 20% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from approximately 14.65% to 53.28%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about 28%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from around 8.28% to 232.75% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $11.57 and $35.57. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, Evaluation of SoundHound AI Incorporated Stock, downgraded after the last trading session. The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price declined by nearly 5% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, falling from $11.24 to $10.69. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 6%, with a low of $10.64 and a high of $11.28. Over the last 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 of those days, resulting in an overall drop of approximately 5.4% for this period. Interestingly, trading volume also decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is typically a positive indicator, as volume trends should align with stock movement. On that day, trading volume fell by 918,000 shares, with a total of 27 million shares exchanged, amounting to roughly $285,840,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $24.98, while the lowest was $3.94. Currently, the price is 57.21% or $14.29 below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also stands as the all-time high for this stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the symbol SOUN, has recently reported impressive financial results, showcasing a remarkable 151% year-over-year revenue growth, reaching $29.1 million in the first quarter. With full-year revenue projections for 2025 set at $159.6 million, investor sentiment may shift positively in light of these figures. The company's advancements with its Polaris and Amelia platforms, which promise both significantly faster query response times and reduced word error rates, reflect SoundHound's commitment to driving enterprise adoption across diverse verticals. Quarterly interactions have surpassed 10 million, highlighting a near 50% improvement in automation rates. Despite this strong performance, SOUN shares are facing challenges, having recently declined by 4% to $11.24. Year to date, the stock has experienced a notable downturn, falling 40% compared to its previous year's meteoric rise. As artificial intelligence remains a focal point in market discussions, SoundHound is recognized as a company with significant potential for future growth. especially as it expands its voice AI solutions in the restaurant sector, now operating in 13,000 live sites. In the short term, the stock's recent decline may create eyeing opportunities for investors. However, for longer-term prospects, the company's innovation and adoption rates in AI could serve as catalysts for recovery and substantial appreciation in share prices, positioning SoundHound favorably in the rapidly evolving technology landscape. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned SOUN a neutral grade and took downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was noted that H.C. Wainwright rated SOUN with underperform and recommended a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, Wedbush provided SOUN with a buy grade and also suggested a hold action. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, H.C. Wainwright again rated SOUN with a buy grade and recommended a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Wedbush upgraded SOUN with an outperform grade and advised a hold action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of SoundHound AI, Inc. is receiving sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a negative outlook for the stock. On upward corrections, there will be some resistance at levels of $11.55 and $10.86. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 9, 2025. And the stock has since declined by 17.13%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is in place from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 19 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 22 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 20 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $10.11 and $9.57. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the subsequent support level. In this case, SoundHound AI Inc. finds support just below today's level at $10.11. Should this level be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $9.57 and $9.47. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 640 cents between its high and low, representing a movement of 6.02%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 6.59%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.06. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.01. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI has its first support level at $10.11. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Michael Zagorczyk, who bought and sold 193,573 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 42.810. In total, insiders purchased 2,620,990 shares and sold 6,925,147 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? The stock of SoundHound AI Incorporated displays several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that SoundHound AI Incorporated may perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative assessment of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a sell recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of July, we predict that SoundHound AI will open higher by 18 cents and begin trading at $10.87. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment choices solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.